This administration is exercising fiscal discipline but advancing the agenda of growth in the economy.
And so, Minister without portfolio in the Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation, Dr. Horace Chang, has laid out a comprehensive plan of actions to advance key sectors of the economy. Among them, water, housing, port development, and business process outsourcing.
Water, for example, Mr. Speaker. Water is life. It is essential for our survival. This government is therefore firmly committed to ensuring that our communities, our farmers, and our industries have access to this precious commodity.
To guide that process is the soon-to-be-tabled revised water sector policy. Dr. Chang also announced plans to increase water supply to customers. Preparations are being made to set up a 15 million gallon per day treatment plant in St. Catherine to augment water supply to Portmore and the corporate area.
It is projected that the construction work will commence early 2018 or late this year possibly, and will provide employment for up to 600 Jamaicans while providing additional water for the corporate area. The production capacity will be provided by this new water treatment plant will help to minimize the impact of drought. In fact, it will make us, as I said, drought resilient.
And in rural Jamaica, 11 projects covering 7 parishes and employing 250 persons are being undertaken through the Rural Water Supply Limited. For sewage, $12 million will be spent this year on projects under the Caribbean Regional Fund for Wastewater Management (CREW) initiative. And to support farmers, the ministry has embarked on a program to repair irrigation canals. First up is the Essex Valley Agricultural Development Project in St. Elizabeth, followed by projects in Manchester, Clarendon, St. Catherine, and St. Thomas. A new structure aimed at reducing duplication in the housing sector will be implemented by year's end. To facilitate this, institutional reviews to ensure accountability and effectiveness have been done at the National Housing Trust, the Jamaica Mortgage Bank, and the Housing Agency of Jamaica. In addition, a national housing policy and implementation plan will be completed this year.
This policy will play a critical role in revitalizing and integrating the sector.
And to increase the housing stock, public-private partnerships have been sought to develop 580 acres with the possibility of providing 3,000 housing solutions. The lands are located in St. Anne, Trelawney, St. James, and St. Catherine. Informal settlements will also be addressed through a squatter upgrading program. And a Real Estate Authority of Jamaica will be formed with the merger of the Real Estate Board, the Commission of Strata Corporations, and the Registrar of Timeshare. Dredging of the access channel to the Kingston harbour is 50% complete. Capacity upgrades at Gordon Quay to handle the largest ships coming through the Panama Canal is on the way, and new container equipment is being acquired.
On completion of the works in the first and second phases, capacity will move from 2.3 to 3.5 million TEUs.
Cruise shipping is also being targeted by the Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation. Initiatives are underway to improve the attractiveness and competitiveness of the ports at Montego Bay, Otorius, and Falmouth.
The promotion of home porting will provide opportunities to develop spin-off projects, and the development of near-port logistics will generate high numbers of highly skilled jobs in both construction and long-term jobs.
And in support of that drive, more purpose-built facilities are being created to expand the business process outsourcing sector on the island.
Major developments in the BPO sector will lead to approximately 8,000 new jobs this year alone.
The ministry responsible for water, works, and housing is playing its part in advancing the growth agenda in Jamaica.
We will give people a real stake in their homes, in their communities, and in their country, as this is the only way that we can truly restore our not only prosperity, but the real Jamaican values.